Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your Rubik's Cube a lot better. The materials you need is a Rubik's Cube, some kind of towel or a paper towel, a screwdriver, Vaseline, the hand wipe thing, and a cotton swab. So first, what you're going to do is take all these edge pieces off. Center pieces. So you're going to take an edge piece off and take the center cap off and put the edge piece back on. So you're going to do this the whole time. So I have taken all these center caps off, and now what you're going to do is take your Phillips head screwdriver and screw all the caps in. So this one, you got green, yellow, orange. It doesn't really matter how much you screw them in.
Lance, do you know where
So the more you screw in, the more tight it gets.
Do you know where the vitamins are? Those little containers of that powder that we used to put on the crickets?
Yeah. And now we put those caps on. So I have put my cube together with the caps on, and let's see how it turns. Still a little rough, and that's what I'm going to teach you to do right now. So what you're going to do is turn it like this, and your screwdriver, you might also need a flathead if your cube is so stiff, but I don't really need it. So you're just going to take an edge piece out and just pretend to mix it up. And you're just taking it apart. So I have totally ripped apart my cube, but not really ripped. That would be mean to the cube. And so like this one you might not be able to see, but it's very dusty. So you're going to need your hand wipe, and you're going to clean off all the pieces. And for the core, you can have a wet cotton swab and get way between those pieces to get them really clean. Scrub, scrub. Now, after all of your pieces are clean, you're going to assemble it. To do this, you're going to take your core with the yellow side up, and you're going to take an edge piece that's yellow, and so this is yellow and blue. We're going to put that on like that. And now we're going to get the yellow and green, and we're going to keep getting yellow edge pieces until we have formed an X. So here's the yellow and red. And you need the yellow and orange. Okay, so after you have an X, you're going to put it like this with the white side facing up. So what you're going to do now is get an edge piece, one that at least has some yellow on it. So here, the first one I saw, yellow, green, and red. And you're going to put it between the yellow, green, and red. So like this. You're going to match. But what you have to do is put the yellow, put it on the bottom so it looks like that. And you can just drop it in. And here we need the yellow and green and orange. Okay, so put it in here. It's kind of like solving the cube, like the white cross or beginner's method. So here's one. Oh, this is yellow, red, and blue. We can just put that here. Okay. Yellow, red, and blue. And the last one you're going to need is oh, here it is. Yellow, orange, and blue. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the edge pieces. As you can see right here, orange and green, you're going to need the orange and green edge piece. Oops, red and green. Here's the orange and green edge piece. And what you're going to do is like slide it in here. There. And the orange and red edge piece. Wait, no, the green and red. Sorry. And the red and blue edge piece right there. And the last one, the blue and orange edge piece. So now what you're going to do is pick an edge piece with white, just white and red. And you might need to turn these counterclockwise. So what you're going to do is kind of like snap this in. Like put one side in and yeah. Like that. And now you're going to do an edge piece that has white and red because that's white and red. So here's white, red, and green. So here's the red you matched up. You kind of stick it in there. And the white, red, and blue, the American flag colors. So you're going to... it's kind of hard to get the edge pieces in. Okay, and then you're going to do white and blue. Oh, jeez. Okay, there we go. Oh. Sometimes your caps fall off. You have to be aware of that. Okay, and you need the white and green. Okay, now this is different. You don't put the edge piece in. You're going to get a corner piece, white, blue, and orange. Whoops. And what you're going to do is put the white here and the blue on that side. You're going to put it on this side, like that. You're going to put the other edge piece on the other side. And now, this is the time to make it faster. You're going to get some Vaseline, but silicone spray is a lot better, or lubricant, whatever you want to use. You take some stuff, or whatever you're using, rub some on here, turn the top, rub some on here. You don't have to rub that much. Turn the top, rub some, turn the top. Well, okay, that's the last one. And now you can, yeah, there. And now the last edge piece, you do it this 45 degrees and put the edge piece in. Oh. The edge piece is always the last one is always so hard. You don't have to force it in. Okay, there we go. And quickly do, like, mix it up or do an algorithm to get it all in there. So, like, do whatever you want. And that's how to make your cube a lot better. Thanks for watching.